Hello, welcome back to channel. In today's data-driven world, visualization is no longer just about charts, it's about insight. Artificial intelligence has transformed traditional data visualization tools into smart assistants that can analyze patterns, suggest visuals, and even explain data in plain language. In this lecture, we'll explore five powerful AI-enabled visualization tools: Tableau AI, Power BI Copilot, Looker Studio, Plotly, and Datawrapper. For each tool, I'll discuss its background, functions, real-world uses, advantages, limitation, and a brief history. Tableau AI is an advanced analytics and visualization platform developed by Tableau, now owned by Salesforce. It integrates AI features like Ask Data and Explain Data, allowing users to interact with data using natural language. Tableau was founded in 2003, focusing on visual analytics, and later incorporated AI after Salesforce acquired it in 2019. Tableau AI helps users automatically generate visualizations, identify trends, detect outliers, and explain why certain results occur. It's widely used in healthcare, business intelligence, finance, and academic research. The major pros include its user-friendly interface, powerful AI-driven insight, and excellent handling of large dataset. However, its limitations include high licensing cost and a learning curve for beginners. Power BI Copilot. It's Microsoft AI powered assistant integrated into Power BI. It uses generative AI to help users create reports, dashboards, and DAX formulas using simple text prompts. Power BI was launched in 2014 and Copilot was introduced after Microsoft major AI push around 2023. Copilot automates reports generation, suggests appropriate visuals, summarizes trends, and explains insights in natural language. It is extensively used in corporate analytics, healthcare reporting, and government's dashboards. The strength of Power BI Copilot includes deep integration with Microsoft tools, strong automation, and accessibility for non-technical users. On the downside, it requires Microsoft Fabric and premium license, and customization can be limited for advanced users. Looker Studio, previously known as the Google Data Studio, is Google free cloud-based visualization tool. Looker Studio, organized as Google Data Studio in 2016 and was rebranded after Google acquired Looker in 2019. The main function include interactive dashboard creation, real-time data visualization, and collaborative reporting. AI enhanced features help in data blending and automated insight. The biggest advantages are that it's free, cloud-based, and easy to share. However, it lacks advanced AI analytics and is not ideal for very complex datasets. Plotly. Plotly is an open source developer focused visualization library commonly used with Python, R, and JavaScript. It supports interactive and highly customizable visualization. Plotly was funded in 2012 and became popular with the rise of Python-based data science. Plotly allows users to build dashboards, scientific graphs, and AI-powered visual analytics when integrated with machine learning models. It is powerful, popular in academic research, bioinformatics, and data science projects. Strengths include flexibility, open sources access, and strong integration with AI and ML workflows. The main limitations are that it requires programming knowledge and lacks built-in automation for beginners. Datawrapper is a web-based visualization tool designed primarily for journalists, researchers, and public communications. It focuses on clarity, simplicity, and ethical data presentations. Was launched in 2012 in Germany. Its functions include creating clean charts, maps, and tables quickly without coding. While it has limited AI, it offers smart design recommendations to improve readability. The advantages of Datawrapper includes ease of use, accessibility, and suitability for public-facing data. However, it has limited advanced analytics and customization options. To summarize, Tableau AI and Power BI Copilot are best for enterprise and healthcare analytics. Looker Studio is ideal for the quick dashboards and Google-based workflows. Plotly excels in research and AI-driven programming environments, and Datawrapper is perfect for public communication and journalism. Choosing the right tools depends on your technical skill, data size, and purpose of visualization. Artificial intelligence has made data visualization smarter, faster, or more accessible. Whether you are a medical researcher, data analyst, or student, understanding these tools can significantly enhance your ability to communicate insight effectively. In future lectures, we will explore how AI can automatically generate stories from data and assist in research decision making. Thank you so much.
Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos,